Good morning, guys. So I miss the people at work. I miss uh, I miss the way they talk. I'm going to imitate these guys. Okay, the Sri Lankan, because there's a lot of Sri Lankan here in Dubai. Wherever you look around, there's a lot of Sri Lankan, and it's how they sound to me. Yeah, that's how they sound to me. And then the Italian, this is how they sound to me. E quando questa tutto bene, questo cazzo merda. Oh, non ci credo. Oh, eccome. That is how they sound. The French, they sounds like this. Usbuku kuchuputu wa tisi to hurt to see you utubudai putisi woju. And then the Arabic, they sound like this. Habibi, Habibi, come in kisha. Kachikiji hawiki akastiku haki ya ika. And the Chinese, they sound like this. Shishi, shishi, shishi. I see we shall he I qua. And thinking she, kiss we shall walk. I she was out. Yeah. And then the Korean, they sound like this. Ochiko show. Antin po siya he. Gusto po siya. Isyan show. Wisyan siya. And then the Filipino, they sound like this. Ano ba yan? Kanina pa ginagawa, hindi pa matapos-tapos. Tara, kain na tayo. Gutom na ako eh. Yeah, that's how they sound. And then the Russian people, I'm talking about the people in Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Ukraine. Yeah, because these people, Moldova, they speak Russian. So for me, they sounds like this. Привет, спасибо. Привет, спасибо. Унтаноб истикудубоду. Тестимука чупудусиюва. Теснопокуhuwa. Datubadubova. And then the Brazilian, they speak like this. Utsubitu, wakinasu. Tutubuke kwakwe. Entikwasya. Kintiburiputa kashiwanaka. Quantisina pukadia. They speak like this. And then the Indian, they speak like this. Atu beri kahawa? Devre pori kawari ya. The sikra tu kripin siya. Not like that. But when they speak in English like this. I told you to stop. But how many times are you going to tell me that? You are always repeating what you are saying to me. And then the Filipino like this. Hi, mom, sir. How are you? Welcome to Jollibee. Anything else? Like that. And then the Chinese, when they speak English like this. And this one is very nice. It's amazing. And then the Syrian, when they speak English like this. Imalem, you like this? Oh, nice. Oh. But how did you do that? Oh, nice. Yeah, they speak like this. And then what else? The okay, the British people, they sound like this. Oh, really? Amazing. Lovely. Can you tell me what is the... So what's your name? Oh, really? Nice name. Good. How are you? Oh, really? Nice. Oh, lovely. Always like that with lovely. And then the Australian people, they speak like this. Oh, cheers, mate. So, how's it going? Oh, really nice. Very good. Good for you, man. Oh, really? Okay, see you later, guys. They sound like that. And what else? What else? Boop, 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 boop. Every move vibe. Oh, I forgot. The Kenyan. The Kenyan, they sound like this. I Kunishiwa, binti yana. And this is I cannot copy, I cannot imitate. But when they when they speak in English, they sound like this. Hello. Ah no, this is the Sri Lankan. Hello, hello. They call like this when they call people. And then the Kenyan is difficult. Hakuna Matata. Ah no, like this. Ah, brother, brother, can you give me this one? This one is nice, but this one is nice. This one is nice. This one is nice. I can't. Oh really? You are nice. That guy is nice person. I cannot imitate. Okay. What else? This is the Brazilian in English, huh? Oh, that is awesome. Amazing, huh? Do you know the name of the guy that was here yesterday? Oh, that's the Brazilian. I did the Filipino. Filipino. Like this. Do you know the name of the guy? The Brazilian guy? No. Oh, bored. I'm bored. Ehi, che eccomi. Cazzo, merda, tutto bene? Oh, really, Prebet? Ah, the Turkish. Is Oh, I don't mean to offend you guys. I'm just having fun. As you notice, I'm like a crazy alone in here because I'm bored. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Ciao.